If you're looking to use Salesforce for account-based marketing, you're in the right place. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to leverage this powerful CRM tool to enhance your account-based marketing strategy and drive better results. Stick around to the end, because we'll also reveal an exclusive bonus offer for a free trial you don't want to miss. First up, Salesforce offers an incredibly versatile platform for account-based marketing, allowing you to target high-value accounts with precision. By segmenting your accounts based on key criteria, you can focus on your most promising leads and nurture them through a personalized journey. The platform provides detailed insights into each account, including activity history, purchasing behavior, and interactions all in one place, making it easier to strategize and track your marketing efforts. Next thing, Salesforce's robust automation features allow you to streamline your marketing processes. You can set up automated workflows to nurture leads and send personalized content based on the specific needs and behaviors of each account. With tools like Salesforce Part, you can create automated campaigns that align with your target account's unique buyer journeys. This means you can focus on a strategy, while Salesforce handles much of the execution. The third thing, Salesforce's powerful reporting and analytics tools give you full visibility into your account-based marketing performance. With custom dashboards and real-time data, you can track engagement and conversion metrics at the account level. This helps you quickly identify which strategies are working and which need adjustment, allowing you to make data-driven decisions and optimize your campaigns. Next, let's talk about integration. Salesforce seamlessly integrates with other marketing platforms and tools like LinkedIn and Google Ads to give you a complete view of your account-based marketing efforts. This integration allows you to synchronize your CRM with external data sources, creating a unified platform for all your account targeting activities. The fifth thing, Salesforce's collaboration tools help your marketing, sales, and service teams work together more effectively. By sharing information in real time and providing a 360-degree view of each account, everyone can stay aligned and work towards the same goal. This collaboration leads to more personalized interactions with your target accounts and drives higher conversion rates. Finally, let's talk about the importance of personalization. Salesforce allows you to create personalized experiences for each account by leveraging the insights it provides. Whether it's sending tailored emails, custom offers, or exclusive content, Salesforce helps you deliver the right message at the right time, increasing your chances of success. And before I let you go, remember, you can use Salesforce for your account-based marketing efforts completely free through the link below with our exclusive bonus offer. This extended free trial will give you full access to all the features you need to take your account-based marketing strategy to the next level. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform the way you approach your most important accounts. Check out the link in the description for more details on your free trial, and happy marketing!